Mutongoi wa Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niwaendeeya kumusukumia President William Ruto avetange Makoani ala masyiiyite kuseuvw'a kwa nzau ya kuungamia unyuvani Iebc aiweta avilu ila yiku ya Kiambu ni anyanya kimbithi ma President Ruto kwana na Kalonzo ni kana vaitonyekana kuvikia oyu kukethiwa vatena Iebc yovisini aiweta nongi na nzama Iseuvw'E na mituki no kana kuthinikia mawiyumbanisyo maseo ma unyuvani wina wikiku na withianu.
Musukumo kwa serikali ikalile kuseuvw'E kwa nzama impya Iebc niwende kukwata vina itino Mutongoi mole kwe omunthi kumusukuma President William Ruto eyumilie sanzo na kutangasa muungamo wake kwani nithila yungamitie kuendeea kwa walanywa kuseuvw'E kwa nzama impya.
The truth of the matter is the state interfered, okay, to make sure that Koki Muli's name is not forwarded. Unfortunately, the names are to be forwarded as a team, the 9 of them. And I think my friend Veta knows the truth.
Kalonzo Veta andu halame kita avilu Kotini ni anyanya kimbithi ma President Ruto na nuwaile kumatavya avetange avilu ino.
The people of Banisa constituency lost their member of parliament over a year ago. They're still waiting for a by-election. And others. Why disenfranchise Kenyans? Because of political expedience.
Ngaliko ya azimio la vina Wiper dhinu wa nzama ya unyuvani wa komishona ae uma Iebc inenganite hisito ya mwandu Dr. Kokimoli atio Mutongoi wa chama cha NLP Dr. Augustus Chalo ni wiki ite avilu kuliana na unyuvani uno.
Yeah, I said Muli is one of us. He comes from my home county. Yeah, he tried to run for speakership of Kitui. He wasn't successful. I certainly wish him well. And if there's any way I can help him, but let him not be used as a proxy to delay an important national matter.
Kalonzo havidu andeto ika vindani kalahu kunenga na woni wake yulu Mutongoi wa President William Ruto kuvikia oyu mfulalu melelia mwaka huu serikali ya Kenya kwanza yukuatie nguma siya kuteka nyara enembe kwa vamwenda mana maange kwa mokoni mavolisi.
We regret that little of the ending year has brought us any good as a people. Our collective national life has been troubles, and nothing but troubles. There is indeed very little to celebrate under the Kenya Kwanza regime that must make the heroes of our independence turn in their graves. The present regime stands for negations and reversals of all the promises and hopes of Jamhuri in 1963.
Vilingo wa mauvo kumavamu sini lovi nyanita wa Benjamin na mwaka.